Mula sa Tarlac State University, bawat takbang ng isang kadete ay kwento ng tapang, disiplina at paglilingkod. Pero hindi lang basta ROTC drills ang kwento rito, dahil tampok ang kwento ng isang kadeteng nagpamalas ng talento, galing at inspirasyon na daladala sa anumang larangan. Sa ating segment na Anong Kwentong ROTC Mo, kilalanin natin ang isang multi-talented cadet mula sa Tarlac State University na hindi lang ehemplo ng husay, kundi pati ng puso. Halina't panoorin natin ang kanyang kwento.
Good day everyone! I am Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Tricia Josephine B. Evangelista, First Class, the Executive Officer of Tarlac State University, ROTCU. I am a consistent achiever from elementary to senior high school and up until now, always aiming for excellence in both academics and character. My passion for learning led me to pursue the Bachelor of Science in Accounting and Information System at Tarlac State University. Kasabay ko rin ito, pinili ko rin tahakin ang landas ng leadership at service sa pamamagitan ng ROTC program. Being an accounting student is already a tough journey kasi may mga araw na puno ng lectures, quizzes, exam, at computations na walang katapusan. Tapos, hindi din maaari na makasabay yung responsibilidad ko bilang isang cadet officer.
I can say is that I truly agree that she's born to be a leader. Being the eldest among her siblings, she has always shown great responsibility and accountability, even at her young age. She also has been an achiever, and more than that, she's just a soft-hearted young woman with so much kindness to give. She also loves dogs and cares about them.
Mahirap, oo, pero sobrang fulfilling nito. Kahit na may mga araw na pasuko ka na, pero ito hanggang ngayon nakasuot pa rin ako ng uniforme.
I was blessed kasi napakagaling ng batang niya. Deserve niya na makuha yung award na Outstanding Female Cadet Officer from 7ID. Ayan, hanga ko dahil failure to success. Throughout his journey, pinakita niya yung pagiging leader niya as cadet officer. So, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Evangelista, as your training officer, I am proud of you since day one. So, continue to be a good leader, continue to be as yourself.
Kaya sa kabila nito, natutunan kong pahalagahan ang bawat oras at pagkakataon na tanging sandata ko lamang is yung pagkakaroon ng malinaw na layunin at matibay na loob.
I just want to say how incredibly proud of you. Your dedication, curiosity, and determination to go beyond the ordinary have truly set you apart. You didn't just meet expectations, you exceeded them, and that's the mark of excellence. And remember, greatness isn't a destination, it's a habit.
Evangelista consistently demonstrated exceptional qualities throughout her ROTC journey, making her a standout cadet in our unit. She is consistently on time, always prepared for training exercises and events. This reliability reflects her strong commitment to ROTC program and her personal drive to excel. Her ability to follow, Evangelista has also shown remarkable leadership. She leads by example, inspiring and motivating her peers through her integrity, responsibility, and decisiveness. She consistently demonstrates what it means to be a true leader in ROTC.
Hindi lang sa barracks o field ito nagagamit. Nai-apply ko rin ito sa pang-araw-araw ng aking pamumuhay, especially in terms of my studies. Kaya itong ROTC program naging malaking bahagi ng paghubog sa sarili kong pagkatao. Masasabi ko ding, I did not just survive, I become more stronger because of the ROTC program. Kaya sa mga kabataang nanonood dito, hinihikayat ko kayo na mag-pursue ng ROTC program at dahil kung kaya ko, mas kaya niyo rin. Pasulong ROTC.
Ibang klaseng kwento, di ba? Sa likod ng uniforme, may talento, sipag at puso. Kaya tandaan, sa bawat takbang mo sa training, sa bawat araw na may disiplina, baka ikaw na ang susunod upang magbahagi ng kwentong may puso, may inspirasyon. Abangan ulit ang susunod na kwentong ROTC sa susunod na Biyernes.